The Maytag washer error code F9E2 indicates a communication problem between the drain pump and the control board. This issue can be caused by faulty wiring, a blocked drain pump, or a malfunctioned control board. To resolve the error, start by fixing the wiring connection. Unplug the washer. Remove the top and back panels to access the electrical wiring, and inspect for damage such as loose, burnt, frayed, or corroded wires. Replace any damaged wires with new ones. Tighten loose connections, and reassemble the ports before powering up the machine. Next, inspect the drain pump for blockages by disconnecting the washer, removing the back panel, and checking for foreign objects. Clean the drain pump with pressurized water and reassemble the ports before powering up the machine. If the issue persists, inspect the control board by unplugging the washer, removing the top or front panel, and checking for damage. Replace any faulty control boards or elements with new ones. Reassemble the machine, and power it up. If the machine still doesn't work, it's recommended to contact a professional for further guidance.